All right, let's begin. I want you to forget everything you think you know about budgets. Forget the penny pinching, the constant restrictions, that feeling of deprivation. What we're about to walk through is something else entirely. It's a strategic blueprint, a 90-day financial reset designed to fundamentally change your relationship with money.
Let me ask you a question, and I want you to be honest with yourself. Is your money working for you, or are you working for it? For most people, the answer is the latter. They're trapped in this endless cycle of earning and spending with very little to show for it. We're here to break that cycle, permanently.
And look, the biggest obstacle people face isn't what they think. It's not about being bad at math. It's really not. The real issue is simply the absence of a coherent plan. Think of it like trying to drive across the country without a map or a GPS. You're just going to end up going in circles, right? Well, today, we're giving you that map.
So let's dive into Section 1, the 90-day financial reset. This is the framework. It's a system that takes just 90 days, 3 months. That's all it takes to seize absolute control of your financial destiny. And our goals are simple but profound. Get clarity on where your money is actually going, automate your wealth building, and set the stage for sustainable long-term growth.
Now this requires a fundamental shift in mindset. From this point on, you are going to run your personal finances exactly like a successful business. A business tracks every dollar of revenue that comes in and every penny of expenses that goes out. You will do the same. Why? Because you are the CEO of your wealth, and it's time to start acting like it.
All right, Section 2. This is Phase 1, the financial audit. Think of this as the diagnostic phase. A doctor can't prescribe a solution without an unflinching understanding of the current reality. This isn't about judgment. It's simply about gathering the cold, hard data. The process here is simple, just 2 steps, but these steps are non-negotiable. First, you'll gather the raw data, every single bank and credit card statement from the last 90 days. Second, you will go through and assign a category to every single transaction. No dollar gets a pass. The goal is total, uncompromising clarity.
And you don't need a complex spreadsheet with dozens of categories. We're keeping it simple because simple is powerful. We use just 3 buckets. Fixed costs, these are your operational necessities, like rent, utilities, and groceries. Then wants, that's all your discretionary spending, eating out, shopping, travel. And finally, debt, the cost of past decisions, like student loans and credit cards. This simple structure will immediately illuminate exactly where your money is going. And this is the objective of the audit. You identify the leaks in your financial ship. You see in black and white precisely how much capital is flowing into discretionary wants, and then you make a strategic decision to redirect it. This money isn't just saved, it's reallocated to assets that will actually build your wealth.
Okay, now that we have our data, we shift from analysis to engineering. In this phase, we move to Section 3, which is Phase 2, the automated engine. We're going to construct a machine, a system that will automatically generate wealth for you, stripping emotion and indecision from the entire equation.
The core principle of our engine is a concept called pay yourself first. It's a psychological masterstroke. What it means is that you prioritize your own wealth, your own future, above all other expenses. The system ensures you build your future before you even have a chance to spend on your present.
And this is the machinery of that engine. 3 simple automated actions. First, money automatically flows into a high-yield savings account for your short-term goals and emergency fund. Second, we attack high-interest debt. It's like a fire, and we put it out with automated extra payments. And third, a consistent stream of capital is automatically invested into the market. This is the engine running silently in the background, building your wealth.
So, why the market? Because of this number, 8%. That's the historical average annual return of the S&P 500. Now, of course, it's not guaranteed, but it represents a powerful long-term force for wealth creation. It's your opportunity to own a piece of the world's most productive companies and have them work for you.
And this table, this illustrates the power of that 8% over time. I mean, look at these numbers. $1,000 a month, which is an amount that becomes entirely possible after our audit and reallocation, grows to nearly $1.5 million in 30 years. That's not magic, it's the mathematical certainty of consistency, time, and the 8th wonder of the world, compounding interest.
So, with your defenses fortified and your wealth engine humming along, we can move to the final phase. Section 4 is Phase 3, the growth blueprint.
This is where we shift from defense to offense. We go beyond maintenance and into active growth, expanding your financial power.
You see, there are really two paths to financial power. Cutting expenses is the first one. It's essential, it's our foundation, but it's a finite game. You can only cut so much. The second path, increasing your income, well, that's an infinite game. There is no ceiling on your earning potential, and this is where true, lasting financial power is forged.
And that brings us to the culmination of our plan. Section 5, your mandate for wealth. These steps we've covered aren't mere suggestions. They're a mandate for anyone who is truly committed to achieving financial sovereignty.
So why the urgency? Look at this number, 59%. 59% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency expense. That is a state of extreme financial fragility. A plan is not a luxury. It is an absolute necessity for stability and for peace of mind.
Please let this sink in. Wealth is not an accident. It's not a lottery ticket. For the vast majority of people, wealth is the predictable, inevitable outcome of a deliberate process, of a system, the very system we have just outlined.
This is the final essential truth. Wealth is a product, and the raw materials are your consistency, your discipline, and your long-term vision. This 90-day reset is the first step on that path. The blueprint is in your hands. Now, you must build.